would you stay till the morning light?
We are still in Tuscany, so we will go together to visit the city of 100 churches.
Could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
This will be a day trip and it will be always ketogenic as usual, so come with me.
I just want you to know that I
Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Many of you already know that we are in Tuscany at the seaside. It's a beautiful place, it's a present for my birthday. I will put the link to last week's video up here so you will see why we are here and how beautiful is the seaside and the beach. But today is cloudy, so we will go to Lucca. It's a lovely town, you must see it. So I will bring you with me and I will make a different video. This video is something that I wanted to do because I have hundreds of recipes now, but many of you cannot find them. So I will explain you how this channel works. The first thing to know is that I upload every Monday a video in English at 2 o'clock Italian time, but also on Wednesday the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. So choose your language and watch your video, and if you want you can watch and like all of them, and please subscribe to my channel, you will make me very happy. But now let's go to Lucca and then I will explain you how you can find all the recipes you're looking for.
Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Many of you already know that we are an Italian family of 4, all on a ketogenic lifestyle since September 2014.
Stay till the morning light.
You also know that I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I'm happy to show you how to live a normal and happy life on ketosis.
Find the remedy. Oh, would you stay?
All my recipes are very easy, and sometimes, like today, I cannot cook because life is always different. There are special occasions, holidays and days that we are very busy, so you will find all this situation on my channel.
Oh, would you stay with me now till the morning?
And also many walks like the one we are doing now, because I love them. I love going around together with you, and I hope you like these walks too.
We'll find the remedy.
As you know, this is a channel in 3 different languages, so I prepare some playlists based on the language and on the topic. The most important one for a ketogenic diet, I think, it's the fish and meat playlist. You will find all these playlists in the description below, just after the ingredients, so it's truly easy.
Swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
But we just arrived at the Glycogen Tower that has been built in the 14th century, when in this beautiful city there were more than 250 towers. This is the only one remain. It has a garden on top and you cannot miss this wonderful place.
Oh, would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away.
But I want to show you also the amphitheater square, because it has a ring shape that follows the form of the Roman amphitheater that was here before. We are talking about 2000 years ago, so it's very ancient, it's beautiful, and we are going to eat here our lunch because it's full of restaurants and still very alive and fun.
These things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
Talking about food, I have to tell you that I have another important list that talks about side dishes, because with fish and meat you should put also a ketogenic side dish. There are some veggies that are not allowed, so that's important to know. If you are at the restaurant and you are not sure about the vegetable, if it's keto or not, there are some tips that can help you. If it's green, the color of the vegetable is green and it grows above ground, is definitely keto. If it grows underground, not always. For example, potatoes and carrots are not allowed on a ketogenic diet. I'm sorry to say that, but it's because of their carbs content, so be very careful. Then you can also avoid all the legumes. Beans, every kind of beans are forbidden on a ketogenic diet except for green beans. I don't know if it's the color, but I know it's the carbs content, so enjoy them. My husband chose beans with his steak today and they were really delicious, so don't worry about green beans. And now I will bring you with me to see a beautiful palace with amazing garden. It's called Palazzo Pfanner. While walking around this dream place, I will talk to you about my most famous playlist. Is the Sweet Treats playlist. Here you can find cookies and cakes. So just come here and watch how we can enjoy a ketogenic birthday or any other celebration, because life goes on normally even if you are on ketosis, and you will have many special occasions if you do this lifestyle for a long term. You can also find some treat without sweetener. We try to use it as less sweetener as possible, but don't worry, it has 0 calories, it's keto. I like mostly erythritol and stevia, so you can also use it if it helps you to stay on ketosis. Last but not least, there is the most important playlist for me. I hope you will watch those videos too, even if they are not recipes, because I'm telling everybody our story about keto diet.
Throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that
I have a daughter affected by an ultra-rare genetic disease called Glycogen Storage Disease type 5, and she had a very difficult life because she could not use the sugar to make her muscles work. On a ketogenic diet, she has an alternative source of energy, so her life went from very painful on a wheelchair with so many problems to a completely normal life. I talked about this story in medical conventions and to many nutritionists. Now it is well known. There are researches and evidences about how this diet works for people affected by some glycogen storage diseases, even type 2, type 3 and type 7, not only type 5.
Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel
So it's incredible, it's a life-changing diet for some people, not a lot because it's an ultra-rare disease, but it's very important if you can share this information, because all people need a normal life. They deserve it, especially kids like my daughter. She was very affected when she was 9 years old. Now she's almost 17 and she's having so much fun, and I'm so much happy to see her going out with friends and enjoying life. Thank you all for listening to me till now. Thank you all for the support, the help you give me, and all the love.
If I leave tonight, we could do this.
At the end of this video, you will find the link to a playlist that I almost forgot. It's the one with all the videos in English. There you can find everything, 100% of my videos, so it can be useful too, but very long to watch.
I really hope you all liked today's walk because Italy is wonderful, at least for me. Please write me down below what you thought about Lucca. It's a very enchanting place. It looks like to be in the past, and it's so happy that I hope you felt that too. So see you next Monday at 2 p.m. Italian time. Thank you all for subscribing.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.